Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you guys are interested in learning how I made these cute little Easter cupcakes, stay tuned. These are the ingredients you're going to need. 3 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of superfine sugar, 10.5 ounces of white chocolate chip, 4 eggs at room temperature, 2 sticks and 5 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Cupcake wrapper. You'll also need a bar of chocolate. I used milk chocolate, but I think dark chocolate would have looked much better. Easter chocolate candy eggs, vanilla buttercream. In a saucepan, combine the butter and water and place over medium heat until they come to a slow boil. Remove from heat and add the chocolate. Stir until completely melted and set aside to come to room temperature. In a large bowl, mix together the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Then make a well in the center. Pour the eggs, oil, vanilla, and the chocolate mixture and stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until there's no lumps. This recipe makes 28 cupcakes. Line up your cupcake tin with cupcake liners. Then fill each liner with batter 2/3 full. Bake for 22 to 25 minutes. Check first at 21 minutes. When checking the cupcakes, use a toothpick and insert it in the middle of the cupcake. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's done. Now once they're done, place them on a wire rack to cool completely. Okay guys, time to decorate. Take a peeler and peel some chocolate off of the bar. Then pipe some vanilla buttercream on the cupcake. Sprinkle some shredded chocolate above the buttercream to create a little nest. Then press some candy eggs into the nest. Okay guys, I think you get maximum cuteness for minimum effort for this cupcake. Okay, so we're done. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye!